and today we are visiting 420 East State Street. This is a gem, a graceful Queen Anne Victorian in downtown Ithaca. It's just a 5-minute walk to the Commons, 10 minutes to Cornell, car optional. And it's filled with original architectural detail. Plus, it's a piece of Cornell history.
Located in the Bell Sherman neighborhood, what will catch your eye immediately are the mosaic panels and the broad front porch. It was built in 1889, and in 2014 there was a major restoration inside and out. And downtown Ithaca is right in your line of sight. You can saunter down for a coffee or a dinner out. Inside, you're going to find hardwood floors, chestnut woodwork, high ceilings, oversized windows with stained glass detail, and generous sized rooms. Updated eat-in kitchen has wainscoting, original tin ceilings, as well as custom cabinets and marmoleum floors. Upstairs, there are 4 good-sized bedrooms and an updated tile bath, and 2 of the bedrooms open to the second floor balcony. There's a walk-up attic, a back staircase, a main level laundry, and outside is a small courtyard. Best of all, you can own a piece of Cornell history. This is the former home of Theodore Zink, the legendary saloon keeper. His pub, which is now Simeon's on the Commons, was the favorite hangout of Cornell students in the 1890s. Famous for his German beer, Zink never forgot a name or a face, and his spirit lives on, celebrated on Zink's Night every October. 420 East State Street. This grand dame, with its grand history, can be yours.